Hey guys, welcome to week 3. We are halfway done with 4340. So I just wanted to comment on the maps that you submitted for your week 2 assignment. And you guys selected some really great processes to examine, but just remember that it's important to really look at a narrow process because the level of detail that you need is critical, because it's hard to identify any non-value added steps when the level of detail isn't there. And so just as an example, I worked with one organization and I worked with their billing department. And by detailing every single step that was needed in dropping a claim, so from every item that had to be looked up, every screen that had to be clicked on, every piece of information entered, everything that needed to be printed, we discovered that the staff had a printer. It was a shared printer. It was on the other side of the room. And so the amount of time that the staff had to take just to get up and go get pieces of paper, just by putting printers at everyone's desk, we were able to decrease that non-value added time, just that transit time back and forth, by so much that everybody was able to process at least one more claim per day, which translated to quite a bit more revenue coming in every single day. So it's just those little things that we can tweak and change and get rid of those non-value added steps like walking around that are so important. If you have any questions, please let me know. Here's to a great week 3. Keep up the good work, friends.